Welcome back to the Native Speaker Lightning Lessons. Here we're going to look at some more common mistakes and how to avoid them. The common mistake here, I am agree. So this mistake is pretty common. When you say I am agree with you that it is expensive, that's incorrect. It should of course be I agree with you that it is expensive. Students often add a be verb here like I am agree, you are agree, etc. That of course is wrong. When you're using verbs in general, by the way, another very common mistake is with subject-verb agreement. If you say she, he or it, then you must use an S on the accompanying verb, but students often forget that, so don't forget that. When you're using the verb agree and you say who you agree with, you'll need the preposition with, and then either the person or the idea that you agree with. If you want to connect that to the rest of the sentence, like a full sentence after this, you'll need the word that. And then you'll use a subject, verb, object, complement. Students are often told that that is optional, and it sometimes is, but my opinion is it's always better to use it because it always works well. So, she agrees with her friend that the company should get more laptops for staff to work from home. I agree with Sarah that we need more time to finish the project, and we agree with the idea that the night shift should start 1 hour earlier on Fridays. And Tom agrees with me that the manager needs to install a vending machine for staff who work late. A vending machine is a machine that sells snacks and drinks if you put money into it. And you will install a machine. So you install a washing machine, you install a tumble dryer, a dishwasher, and you can also install software on your computer. So you'd install antivirus software. Don't forget, as we said earlier, common mistake by students is this be addition here. That's completely incorrect, so don't do it. If you don't want to say who you agree with, that's fine. Just drop the with and the object and say the rest of the sentence as normal. She agrees that the company should get. I agree that we need more. If you want to agree with somebody and you're just going to talk about an idea, then you'll use the preposition about. So you'll talk about a situation or some object, and then you can add a complement for the rest of the sentence. So you'll say she agrees with her friend about the situation in the US. I agree with Sarah about the project. We agree with the suggestion about a 1 hour earlier start time on Fridays, and Tom agrees with me about a vending machine for staff who work late. Remember, don't use the verb be here. I can't reiterate that enough because it's a very common mistake. If you want to drop the who you're talking about, drop the with and the object and just say the rest of the sentence directly. She agrees about the situation in the US. I agree about the project, etc. If you want to agree about an action, that's no problem, but you'll put in verb ing after about. It must be verb ing. Any other verb form is incorrect. Then you'll add the object, what you're talking about, and a complement for more information. So she agrees with her friend about using social media for marketing. I agree with Sarah about having more time to finish the project. We agree with the proposal about starting 1 hour earlier on Fridays. And Tom agrees with me about installing a vending machine for staff who work late. Also in this one, there is no be between the subject and agree, so don't put it in. And again, if you want to remove who you agree with, you can do that and remove with and say she agrees about using, I agree about having, we agree about starting. But wait, say my good students, I've heard some sentences using be with agreement. Haven't I? Or have I? Yep, you have actually. So watch our next video to find out. If you'd like to know more about all the ins and outs of this and other language points, sign up now for our online course at info@nativespeaker.ie and you'll never have to make this mistake again. That's all from this Native Speaker Lightning lesson. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and click the link for other notifications of more lessons. That's all from me. See you all next time.